Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for this video today. And today is one of those videos where you're not going to really get a lot out of it today, but we're building for the future, okay? I want you to understand that this capability exists, but you're not going to be able to truly exploit it until you understand how all this pattern matching works. Okay? And the reason is because look at all this right there. Somehow that means find everything, any word in here that starts with an F, and put it into a list. Find all. Oh, gee. All right. We're not going to explain how those patterns work the way they do now. We're going to save that for a different series because this library is that important. And we're going to go and we're going to do a deep dive into this. But that'll be for a different series. All you need to know right now is that there's a command called find all. Okay. And there's another one called sub that can go ahead and take out duplicate stuff. And that there's another one that will find something and replace. This is all stuff that you can do in a Word document, but you have that ability in Python because you might want to want to automate that process to where you bring in a Word file, okay, and have these commands stored so you can go and do this repeatedly. Like say somebody says, hey man, I got 100 documents and this has to be changed and this and this and these, all these edits have to be done. Then you create a Python script using these commands and more because they're just scratching the surface here. Okay. And then bada boom, bada bing, you make the machine do the work and you take all the credit. All right. Well, with that said, all right. Let's go ahead and just read, let the computer do some reading, and then we'll go to the example.
The RE module provides regular expression tools for advanced string processing. For complex matching and manipulation, regular expressions offer succinct, optimized solutions.
Blah, blah, blah. And then we have this stuff where it goes like, look, it's magic. This is what happens. But they don't really explain how any of the matching works because it's kind of complicated. That's why. All right, let's finish it up.
When only simple capabilities are needed, string methods are preferred because they are easier to read and debug.
All right. I hope you guys got a lot out of that. Anyway. And here we are in the sample code. Very simple. I just copy and pasted the examples they gave us in the documentation, and we ran it just to make sure that the code works. Okay? Now, I know that sounds silly, but here it is in case you need to copy and paste it for your code later on. Okay? And let's go ahead and run the code and see if it works. Ta-da! Chugga, 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 boom. All right, let's go take a look at this output. And here we are in the output. And sure enough, it did exactly like what we thought it would do. In the first example, it found all the words. It started with F. And it created a list with those words in it. Okay? And the second, the sub command, yay, it figured out that there were too many thes in there and it removed it. And then in the third case, the replace, it figured out that somebody didn't spell two correctly because after all, there are 3 versions of two in the English language. Okay, and you will be mocked if you use the wrong one. Okay, anyway. So there it is. It's a simple little video, not much to it. Now, I expect you guys to go out and have some fun today and try not to get in too much trouble. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.